How can you do more of what you love? How can I do more of what I love? How can we do more of what we love? I've asked myself this question for the longest time. And if you've been to any of my keynotes or workshops at your university, you've probably heard my perspective on this. In this video, I'll be sharing my top tips to help you do more of what you love. Hello, I am super excited to have you here. My name is Sel, and in this channel, we explore the strategies and the tools to help you design your own world. A world where you're not afraid to show up, speak up, and strategically get into action long before you feel ready. If you haven't subscribed yet, then hit that subscribe button to get notified every single time that I post a new video. Here's the thing. When you use your natural talents and your natural strengths, you tend to feel more engaged and productive in the activity that you're doing. You feel happier, you feel energized, and you get that buzz that comes with doing something you actually enjoy. You feel like you're being your real self and you're not pretending to be someone that you're not. Here are my top tips on how you can use your natural talents and strengths to do more of what you love more often. A great way to start doing more of what you enjoy is to think back to some of your biggest achievements and then try to identify which strengths you used then and there to achieve that great outcome. Once you figure that out, look out for opportunities to apply those strengths again. Start opportunity spotting to use your strengths more and more in your daily life. Don't just wait for you to graduate before you can start using your natural strengths and talents. Look outside your normal activities. Are there any opportunities for you to utilize your natural strengths more frequently? For example, a student who has public speaking as a natural strength could decide to look for more opportunities to present at university. They could find a student role that requires speaking, such as becoming a student ambassador, or they might look to join a student society where they can then be the event MC or host more events in their spare time. Start identifying the next steps that you can take to do more of what you love every day and allow yourself to live a more fulfilled life. If you're an educator, a youth institution, or a student society watching this right now, and you'd like our young leaders to use their strength and feel more empowered to stand out from the crowd as they take bold, strategic steps to design their own world, then I would love to hear from you. Let's start a conversation. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you have, be sure to subscribe, share with a friend, and hit that like button so I can continue making more videos like this just for you. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next one.